Yung SLVL po ba makukuha kapag nag-resign? Well, friends, ito yung tanong ng ating viewer sa Q&A with Proof AMN. It's about sick leave and vacation leave or leave credits or leave balance na makuha if ang employee ay mag-resign. Ang tawag po nito is terminal leave pay. Sige po, I will answer this question in a direct, concise, and with example. Alright? Let's get started. First, let's define ano po ang terminal leave. Terminal leave is applied for by an official or an employee who intends to sever his connection with his employer. Accordingly, the filing of application for terminal leave requires as a condition precedent the employer's resignation, retirement, or separation from the service. It must be shown first that public employment ceased by any of the said modes of severances. So, ibig sabihin, friends, makukuha lang po natin ang terminal leave if mag-resign tayo, retire, or separate. Payment of terminal leave for purposes of retirement or voluntary resignation shall be based on the highest monthly salary received at any time during the period of employment in the government service and not on his latest salary, unless the latter is the highest received by the retiree. So, ibig sabihin, friends, ah application po ng terminal leave is within 10 years from the time nag-ano po tayo, nag-retire, nag-separate, or nag-resign. Right? And then ang basis po ng competition is your highest monthly salary, not the latest salary. But if the latest salary or present salary is bigger than your previous years, ayan po ang basis ng competition. So may mga documentary requirements po when applying for this terminal leave pay. Nandyan po, naka-enumerate. So importantly, kung resign po, yung tanong po ni Sir, resignation sa kanya, yan po yung pinaka-last po ang importante. Employee's letter of resignation po, duly accepted by the head of the agency. So kailangan magawa kayo ng resignation letter. And then of course, clearance from money, property, and legal accountability from the central office and from regional office of last assignment. So importante may clearance tayo. May approval sa leave application. Then service record po ninyo kompleto, including statement of assets and liabilities and net worth, SALN, and other requirements na nakalagay dyan. Right? So, very clear po. Makukuha po natin ang SLVL, sick leave or vacation leave, or leave credits or leave balances po natin lahat-lahat. If mag-resign po tayo, sir, mag-retire or separate from our employer. Alright? Hope na nasagot ko yung question po ni sir. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.